Hey guys, Elon Musk is planning to launch a GPT competitor. Binance has launched an AI product to generate NFT, and the Graph has a blockchain partnership with Coinbase and Avalanche. What is the Graph project? How is it related to AI? And why will the GRT token surge 16 times? Also, when will Elon Musk start pumping GRT like he did with Doge? Let's figure it all out now. The Graph is an indexing protocol for querying networks like Ethereum and IPFS. Anyone can build and publish open APIs, called subgraphs, making data easily accessible. All data is stored and processed on open networks with verifiable integrity. The Graph makes querying this data fast, reliable, and secure. The Graph is among the projects that belong to AI and big data. This is a very important point that will help an asset make dozens of X's. To get you motivated to learn more about the Graph, just take a look at their latest partnerships. The Graph makes public data easily accessible for developers with support for subgraphs on Base, a new Layer 2 incubated by Coinbase. The Graph will also provide its infrastructure for Arbitrum, Avalanche, and Celo. These are all major blockchains with billions of dollars of liquidity and large funds. In total, the Graph supports 20 blockchains. As you can see, the Graph has a bright future, so let's break down its tokenomics. Network participants work together to provide data to end users in exchange for GRT rewards. GRT is the work utility token that coordinates data providers and consumers. There is a complex system where the GRT token plays a key role in the Graph economy. In order to run an indexing node, indexers must stake 100,000 GRT or more with the network. So, the more projects collaborate with the Graph, the more indexers will be needed and the higher the demand for GRT will be, which will in turn increase the price. The initial token supply is 10 billion GRT, with a target of 3% new issuance annually to reward indexers for allocating stake on subgraphs. But approximately 1% of the GRT supply is burned annually through various activities on the network, and this number has been increasing as network activity continues to grow. In January 2023 alone, 23.5 million GRT were burned for $3.6 million, which reduces the pressure on the price. Of the 10 billion GRTs, 88% are already on the market. All of the early and seed investors have already sold their tokens, so no pressure on the price should be expected. Only the team has tokens left. The Graph has attracted $55 million in investments from some of the largest funds: Coinbase Ventures, Tiger Global, Multicoin Capital, Digital Currency Group, etc. Solana and Near have a similar set of investors. And you remember how well those assets were pumped. Guys, in the meantime, if you like the content I make, subscribe to the channel. Please, let's get that first 1,000 subscribers together. And now, let's figure out why now is the best time to invest in GRT. The AI trend is gaining momentum on all fronts. Elon Musk has approached AI researchers in recent weeks about forming a new research lab to develop an alternative to OpenAI's ChatGPT. If you noticed, Elon tweets about something AI every day. He recently posted a meme, then just wrote "based AI." The hype continues to heat up, and it's positive for the future growth of AI tokens. Who knows, maybe GRT will be the next Doge that Elon Musk will pump. The largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, is also keeping up with the trend and is launching its AI product, Picasso. You can turn your creative ideas into NFTs with AI. The first 10K NFTs were mined in 2.5 hours, which shows the demand for AI topics. Binance also released an article breaking down the role of AI in blockchain. Briefly, AI has progressed by leaps and bounds, but its use comes with data protection and security risks. Blockchain immutability, transparency, and consensus mechanisms all have the potential to make interacting with AI more secure. The Graph is data-driven, which makes it in demand for AI. OpenAI is launching the API ChatGPT. This will allow customers to access AI systems and integrate them into their own software. I've shown you the developments around AI in the last couple of days, and they're already looking massive. Obviously, the trend will continue and crypto will follow it. So where to buy and where to sell the GRT token? The GRT token is in an accumulation phase with the potential to surge 1,500% during the next bull market and AI trend development. The accumulation phase is the period when the asset is traded within a narrow range with high volumes. This is the time when the big players accumulate their positions so that they can stock up and sell when it's high. The DOGE is a good example of accumulation and the subsequent pump. However, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the accumulation zone has already passed, and then there was a small decline. Locally, we expect a rate decline to the zone of 8 cents to 10 cents. A triangle pattern is outlined in the junior time frame. The price usually breaks through the base, which confirms my hypothesis about GRT local fall. Globally, I expect the GRT to grow 16 times for several reasons. First, the AI trend is still gaining momentum, and more large companies will start to incorporate AI into their businesses. This will raise a buzz in the marketplace. Second, GRT is in a big accumulation phase. Funds have sold their tokens for 900 times more than they bought them and are now gradually buying them back in order to sell them 10 to 20 times more later. Third, the major partnerships with Coinbase, Arbitrum, and Avalanche indicate that the project is actively developing and integrating its products into top ecosystems. This leads to an increase in demand for GRT token and, as a consequence, its price. Where to sell GRT? Traditionally, we apply the Fibonacci grid to determine the selling levels. The key levels are 60 cents to $1 and $2. Profit from 4x or higher with acceptable risk. But let me remind you that I do not give financial advice. You should make all decisions based on your risk management and understanding of the project. Don't invest in something you don't understand. The market is slowly coming back to life. Opportunities to make money are emerging. Many altcoins are still trading at a 90% discount. Remember that the trend is your friend. Invest on the trend and what's on the radar right now, which is AI. And share in the comments which projects you're following and which tokens you want me to break down in the next videos. Happy spring, everyone. Thanks for watching your Coin Post.